Hi everyone. Welcome you all once again to English class. I'm Moshe Dayan. I'm really very happy to meet you in this today's class. Today we are going to learn one particular chapter, that is active and passive voice. See, active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. When you come to this particular active and passive voice, this chapter will come under in English grammar under transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences. That means transformation of sentences means one particular type of sentence is changed into another form of sentence. That means the structure will be changed. One particular sentence is going to be changed into another form of sentence without changing the actual or original meaning of the sentence, without changing the original meaning of the sentence. Okay, that is called transformation of sentence. This is one particular chapter under transformation of sentences, active and passive voice. Today we are going to talk about this. Right? Are you ready? Okay, come here. First, I'll give you one example. The first example is he ate a mango. He ate a mango. Now, if we happen to see the sentence, there are three parts are there. They are he ate a mango. Okay, three parts are there. He ate a mango. He is called as subject and ate is verb and a mango is an object. An object. Okay, is it clear? He ate a mango. He is a subject. Ate is verb and a mango is an object. So when we come to this particular verb is called as a transitive verb. A transitive verb. Transitive verb. Transitive verb means this particular verb is having, it has a subject. It has a subject. Okay, it has a subject, transitive verb. So here, this verb, what this verb is doing here, it is telling what this particular subject is doing or does. That means this particular sentence is giving a prominence to the doer or the subject in the sentence, doer of the sentence. So this particular sentence is in active voice. Okay, this particular sentence is in active voice because the verb is telling what the subject is doing, what the doer is doing. And the next one, we can write the same sentence in another form. Okay, let us see that. Second one is a mango was eaten by him. Okay, a mango was eaten by him. This is another way of writing the same sentence. When we look at this one, here also we have different types. See here, this is now in this sentence, this is subject, this is verb and this is object of the sentence. Here in this particular sentence, when we observe that one, this particular is, that is this verb is telling what is done to the subject. What is done to the subject. Okay. So we call this particular sentence is in passive voice. Okay. Now, let us see, to make it more clear, I will give you few rules. What are the rules we are going to follow in this particular connection while we are changing the sentence from active voice into passive voice, right? So, the rules, when we come to these rules, the first one is subject becomes object by plus object. Okay. The first rule is subject becomes by plus object. And the second rule is the object becomes subject. Okay. The object becomes subject. And the third one is, what are left here? We have covered subject and object. What is left in the sentences? Verb. So here verb changes into, that is, be form plus past participle. Be form plus past participle. Okay. Be form plus past participle. Verb becomes, that is, be form plus past participle. Okay. Now you see this. Now look at these two sentences. How the changes took place. Right? The first one is in active voice. She ate a mango. And the other one, the sentence, when we write in passive voice, the structure of the sentence is like this. The form of the sentence is like this. A mango was written by him. A mango was written by him. When you look at the meaning of these two sentences, this one and this one, meaning is same. Okay. There is no change in connection with the meaning. Right? So, now let us see the rules here, how we applied this. So, here in the active voice, the subject, while we are changing or transforming the active voice sentence into passive voice, the first rule is subject becomes object. And what else here? By plus object. See here, this is subject and it is becoming object by plus object. Okay, here subject. And the next one is object. What is object in the sentence? In this sentence, a mango. This object will become subject. A mango, subject, and see, it becomes object, it becomes subject. Then what is left now? Verb. So the verb becomes, that means it will be changed into be plus past participle. That is, see here, this is verb and it is be plus past participle. When you come to this, be means be forms. Okay, we already know that, no? Be forms. That means what type of be form we are supposed to use? Appropriate be forms. Appropriate be forms means it is based on the tenses. Tenses, we know that tenses are present tense, past tense and future tense. Basing on the tenses, we have to use appropriate or suitable be form. Okay. And here, ate is in past tense. Now let me write here. What are these things? Eat, ate, and another one is eaten, right? These are the things. So this is present tense, this is past tense, and this is past participle. Okay. So here in the given sentence, here is used, the verb is in past tense. So here, what is the rule here? Verb becomes be plus past participle. This is past participle, verb eaten, eat, ate, eaten. And here is, because this is past tense, so that we are using this be form. Okay, be form was. Okay, so here a mango was eaten by him. Now let me give you one more example. Okay, now I will give you one more example. She wrote a novel. She wrote a novel. So when you look at this sentence, this is, she is a subject, wrote is verb, and novel is object. So when you come to this one, when we are changing a sentence, so this sentence is in active voice. It is in active voice. Why? This verb is a transitive verb. Transitive verb means which has a subject. So now it is talking about this particular subject, what the subject is doing or does. So now when we are changing into passive voice, so what are the things you observe these things? I will write to here in passive voice. A novel was written by her. Okay, this is in passive voice. That means, see here, what is done to the subject. So here a novel was written by her. See here, subject becomes object. That is by plus object, and the object becomes subject. Here object is a novel, and here it became at the place of subject, it became subject. And when you come to this verb, it is be form plus the third thing, past participle form of the verb. And look at this, what are the other forms? See here, write, wrote, and the past participle form is written, right? That means write, wrote, written. So here this one be form plus past participle. This is past participle and this is be form, right? Be form. So this is the way how we have to change or convert from active voice into passive voice. I think you could understand this one, and I will continue the same topic with many more examples in the next class. Till then, keep learning and take care. Bye bye.